Best Chrome Hearts frames and Allchinabuy. In this video, we'll check out the best Chrome Heart frames from Allchinabuy. Chrome Hearts is known for its luxury eyewear, but can you get a similar look on Allchinabuy for a much lesser price? So to get started, All China Buy offers a variety of chrome hearts inspired frames that replicate the brand's high-end look. The quality of the frames is impressive with solid construction and attention to detail. The metalwork is an iconic feature of Chrome Hearts eyewear, which is replicated while giving the frames a luxurious feel. While they may not match the durability of genuine Chrome Hearts glasses, they still offer great value for the price. The fit is generally comfortable, but some buyers have mentioned that the frames can be slightly smaller than expected. This may not be an issue for everyone, but it's always the best to check the product reviews and size charts before purchasing. Overall, if you're after the Chrome Hearts aesthetic without the luxury price tag, these frames from All China Buy are a great option for anyone on a budget. And that's my review of the best Chrome Hearts frames from All China Buy.